Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video and today I'll be going to teach you how to make no sew face mask. You will need a piece of cloth, a pair of scissors, a scale and a pen. Now cut out two pieces of 8" into 8" dimensions. Place the front side of the cloth facing each other. Then fold a small portion on one side and using a pair of scissors make small cuts. Repeat the same process on the other side as well. Now cut out two strips of the same cloth and pass it through the cuts just as shown. Repeat the same process on both sides. Now flip the entire cloth inside out. Tighten both the sides of the cloth so that it starts to appear as a mask. Then take both the strands and tie a knot. Cut off the excess strands. Roll the strands inside so that the knots does not appear. And your mask is ready. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and art related videos.